Priyanshu Chaudhary for SME Futures, and here are the top stories from this week. NSE has introduced the ASM and T2T framework for SME stocks. The NSE recently declared that the SME stock will now be subject to additional surveillance measures and trade-to-trade protocols. This step follows concerns raised by SEBI and stock exchange with any kind of potential manipulation with SME stocks.
SME stocks are traded exclusively in lots, which means one must buy in specified quantities depending on the SME. These stocks are listed on two exchanges, NSE Emerge and BSE SME. Once a SME stock meets specific criteria, it has the option to transition to the main board. This transition removes the lot size restriction, allowing investors to buy even a single share. On Monday, NSE stated that the identification of stocks transitioning to the trade-for-trade segment will occur every 2 weeks, while stocks moving to or from its segment will be determined on a quarterly basis.
Moving forward, the Department of Education and Development Skills has signed 8 MoUs with IBM to boost digital skills. The partnership will focus on equipping learners from school, higher education, and vocational training with proficiency in cutting-edge technologies like AI, cloud computing, cybersecurity, along with focusing on their professional development skills.
Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, addressing the gathering, emphasized that India, endowed with a vast and youthful population, stands at the brink of immense potential. IBM's partnership with MOE and MSTE covers 3 key education levels. IBM will grant access to advanced digital learning materials from IBM Skills Bud under Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, National Council for Teacher Education and Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan. IBM will revamp CBSE's AI curriculum for grades 11 and 12. Additionally, create specialized courses in cybersecurity and blockchain.
Next up, we have the news of geopolitical unrest that fuels the soaring demand of gold as safe haven asset. Global economy and financial landscape are hugely impacted by geopolitical events like conflicts and political instability. During such uncertain times, gold happens to emerge as the preferred choice of many key investors who are in search of safe haven assets.
A substantial portion of India's gold supply is sourced through imports, which means shift in international prices directly affect the domestic market. When global tensions drive up gold prices, it translates to increased costs for Indian consumers. One of the stakeholders notes that the Ukraine conflict and escalating US-China tension have sustained high gold prices. Gold is a sought-after safe haven asset in times of uncertainty, drawing investors as a hedge against political risks.
In 2023, the female workforce in Indian firms has increased to 26%. As per the Great Place to Work India report, industries with the highest and lowest number of female representation exhibit 38% contrast. However, in terms of a positive perception, the difference is only 2%.
The report highlighted that industries such as education and training and non-profit organizations with 45% and 47% female representation respectively demonstrate greater gender diversity and heightened levels of trust. The report discovered that organizations emphasizing an inclusive for all environment saw a 14% surge in employee perception regarding professional and leadership growth, as well as involvement in decision-making processes.
Well, these were the top stories for today. Keep tuned in to SME Futures every Friday for more such updates.